Today we are going to talk about lesson 1 of EBS for second standard, our environment. So as we said, we are going to talk about our environment. Our environment means we are going to talk about our earth, and earth has different landforms and water bodies like forest, plains, mountains, hills, deserts, rivers and seas. Okay, let's talk about forest, plain and the hill. So first we will take up forest. So what is forest? Forest is a place where you get a lot of number of trees. Okay, it also has streams and ponds, and it is a home for many animals like tigers, deers, lions, bears, etc. And there are beautiful birds living in the forest like peacock, doves, parrots. And from the forest we get lot of useful items like we get wood, honey, fruits, rubber and many other things. Now when we say plain, plain is a flat land area and where we live. They are very important to grow crops. Farmers grow crops here and they get water from the rain, a river, lakes and ponds. We also see lot of animals like cows, goats, bullocks, buffaloes and many kinds of birds in the plains. Okay, now let's talk about hills and ponds. What is a hill? Hill is like a mountain, but it is not as high as a mountain. Hills are usually covered with greenery and they look very beautiful. And it is also cooler in the hills. Now if you can see the picture, there are hills and there are steps in them, and usually it is used to grow crops. Basically they grow tea and coffee, and these kind of farms are called terrace farms. The next one is pond. What is a pond? Pond is where water collects and usually it is filled by rain, and you can catch lot of fish in it, and also frogs, crabs live in the pond. Flowers like water lily and lotus are also grown in the ponds. Let's talk about a river and sea. First, let's go through river. River is larger than pond or lake, and the water of river has many useful ways. We can use it for bathing, washing utensils or washing clothes, and you can find different varieties of fish and also birds which live in and around the river. Now in Kerala they have a special boat race organized in the river. Now when you see the picture, you can see the river and the sea. So the river starts its journey on a mountain and it follows a path and joins the sea. Now sea is a large water body and the sea water is salty. The salt what we have comes from the sea. You can see lot of fish, plants, turtles which live in the sea. Fishermen take their boats into the sea and catch different varieties of fish. So this is a desert. Okay, when we say desert, what comes to our mind? Usually camels. Camels live in the desert. Desert is a very hot place and it has lot and lot of sand in it. And there are hills which are covered in sand. So they are called sand dunes. The plant which grows in the desert is a cactus plant because it needs very little water to live. So camels are called sheep of the desert because they're used for traveling in the desert. The camel can drink a large amount of water at once, and after that it can live without food and water for many days. Okay, here we have the book bag exercise, and the first one is fill in with the given words. There are some words given out like cool, tea, flat, step farms, warm, sugarcane, hill station, coffee, high, crops, and these we have to segregate into plains and hill. Now we have already put down the answers. Under plain comes flat, farm, warm, sugarcane, crops. Under hill comes cool, tea, hill station, coffee, high. Here you need to put a tick in the suitable box. Now river water is salty, yes or no? Answer is no. Kattumaram is used for fishing, yes or no? Yes. A river starts from the sea, no. Fish live only in a river, no. Turtles live in the sea, yes. River water is used for farming, yes. Okay, here they have given match the following. So basically you have to name the places which are given. So the first one is desert, where you can see a camel. Then you have a river. Then you have sea. Then comes the hill. Then comes the forest, and last plain. Okay, write T if true and F if false. Step farming is done in the hills. True. The horse is called the sheep of the desert. False. Lions and tigers are found in the forest. True. A forest has sand dunes. False. Okay, this is regarding the classification. Now they have given different kinds of names which we have to fit in the forest, pond or desert. So in forest, from the given words you have to choose tiger, elephant, tree, deer. In the pond you choose duck, fish, water, lotus. In the desert you choose camel, sand, cactus. Okay, here you have to complete this activity using the phrases given. There are 5 phrases. Can drink a lot of water at one go. Is full of trees. Has step farms. Has salt water. Is smaller than a lake. So the question is, a forest is full of trees. The sea has salt water. A camel can drink a lot of water at one go. A pond is smaller than a lake. A hill has step farms.